Why does your scanner show the P0338 engine code? What does it mean? P0338 is a diagnostic trouble code for Crankshaft Position Sensor A, circuit high input. The P0338 engine code indicates the PCM detects an abnormally high voltage signal from the crankshaft position sensor, preventing accurate engine RPM and crankshaft position tracking for fuel injection and ignition timing. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair the vehicle immediately. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Signal wiring shorted to voltage, failed crankshaft position sensor, corroded or damaged connector or harness, reluctor ring damage, powertrain control module fault. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, Nissan, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.